Hey there, I'm Yussi Weisz, and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking, and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Krovit Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Hey, yay, simple state is in the air. Stuffed cabbage, gefilte kraut, hulpetchis, you name it. This time we prepared it. So simple. And I'm gonna call this the lazy stuffed cabbage. Basically a deconstructed stuffed cabbage. Let me show you. And here we go. Wow, wow. That's all I can say. It smells like stuffed cabbage. The ingredients are just like stuffed cabbage, but we just didn't roll anything. We just took all the ingredients and we laid it in a pot. Think of like lasagna. Put it in the oven. I covered it 5 hours on a low temperature. Yum. I mean, actually, I don't know if it's yum. Let me taste it. I'll let you know if it's yum. You bring this out, Simchas Torah, even the drunk people are gonna like it. Wow. Oh, yes. Come on. Well, the only problem is tasting this now, I might burn my tongue off. Actually, it's a little too hot. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna have a glass of wine first. A nice glass of Baron Herzog Merlot. Always goes with stuffed cabbage. Wow. So good. I didn't even taste that. The wine is good. And I didn't burn my tongue off. Wow. I love this. This is going to be my new thing. I'm not rolling stuffed cabbage anymore. It's done. Ooh, turn it on. This is a winner. Winner, winner. Stuffed chicken dinner. I mean, stuffed cabbage dinner. Wow, I want to show you how simple this is. I'll prepare this for you. Chick-chock, 1, 2, 3. All you need is all the ingredients ready. You buy cabbage, you buy tomato sauce. Put everything together, 1, 2, 3. Machai. Okay. Oh, huh? More. Okay, guys, cut. I put my tongue off. Okay. Let's do this. Let me show you what I did. My tongue's still hurting. I burnt my tongue. We cleaned up, and now we'll start. Get your pan. Next, you want to put some sauce on. Then we'll put the meat, a little more sauce, and we'll be done. So let's put this aside, and let's make the sauce. Got a whisk. Here's my cabbage. Here's my rice. I want to use half of it now. Remember, there's no rolling, forming, worrying about it. Whatever happens, happens. All right. So you want to get a nice ground beef. I like a little fattier. I cheated a little bit over here, and I took some ground beef from my restaurant. I grind my own meat, so this is going to be extra special good. We do some dry aged meats and dry aged fats and stuff like that. So I know this is going to be even better than just your regular ground beef you'll get. Ask your butcher, get you some nice ground beef. Don't get the extra lean for this. You want the flavor, fattest flavor. Right there. When I say this is easy to make, it's really easy to make. I take some extra cabbage, I put it on the top, like a little texture. Let's go with the sauce. Boom. Guys, you're done. What was that stuffed cabbage in about 3.5 minutes? 4 minutes? It took me longer to eat, and I burnt myself in between. Boom. Look at that. Lazy stuffed cabbage. You're done. Some foil. I preheated my oven to 350, left it in the oven for an hour, and then lowered it to 250 for another 5 hours. Came out perfection. The only problem is, and you have to be very careful, when you taste it, don't burn your mouth off. Finished. And after that, I get yantev. Looking forward to serve you in my new restaurant in Lakewood, Cabbage.